Only available at Heartland Home Foods, you'll find a wide variety and quality selection of premium bacon. And here's why we chose Cheshire Heritage Farms. At Cheshire Heritage Farms, they're breed specific, and they have been for the past 40 years, which gives our pork superior flavor, consistency and texture, and marbling. They are the only marketed pork brand that uses Cheshire White Breed genetics, single source genetics, and total feed control, which means better flavor. So not only is Cheshire Heritage Farms bacon our reorder special for this month, make sure to add some to your next order with Heartland. Comment below, let us know how your family likes to enjoy bacon. And remember, have a healthy day with Heartland.